Hi everyone, I'm Vijay Balu Raskar. I am an electrical engineer with over 13 years of training experience. Welcome to my electrical maintenance training channel. Here, you will learn electrical maintenance step by step in a simple and practical way. This channel will help you gain knowledge in the electrical field, prepare for exams, and also provide vocational training and much more. So, let's begin this journey together to make electrical learning easy and useful for your future. This YouTube channel is dedicated to teaching electrical maintenance and everything related to electrical engineering. We are going to cover topics right from the basics to advanced concepts. It is designed for students, technicians, engineers, and even hobbyists who want to strengthen their knowledge. The focus will always be on practical learning using diagrams, real examples, and simple explanations so that anyone can understand and apply it. Now let's look at the list of chapters we are going to learn. We will start with electrical symbols and move on to basic circuit diagrams. Then we'll learn about fuses, followed by electrical conductors and their properties. Next, we will cover types of wires and wiring diagrams, different wiring systems, and house wiring along with Indian electricity rules and overhead lines. We'll also study underground cables, illumination, and electrical appliances. In the advanced section, we will learn about transformers, single-phase motors, three-phase motors, and synchronous motors. We will also go through measuring instruments, electric heating, parallel operation of three-phase alternators, HV substations, and finally maintenance. And of course, there will be many more topics added step by step to make your learning complete. Now let's talk about the learning benefits of this channel. All the concepts will be explained in a simple and easy to understand way. There's no need to mug up anything, our focus will always be on real understanding. This will help you in exam preparation with much more clarity. It also reduces the extra tuition burden, because with self-study here, you'll feel confident. Most importantly, it will build a strong foundation for life, give you career-oriented skills, and help you gain practical knowledge. And of course, there are many more benefits as you keep learning with me. Let's see what you will gain from this channel. First, you will build confidence in understanding and working with electrical systems. You will gain both theory and practical knowledge that go hand in hand. And most importantly, you will develop the ability to stand in the market with real skills. And of course, there are many more advantages that you'll discover as you continue learning with me. I invite you to join with me on this learning journey. Subscribe to the channel and start your step-by-step journey in electrical maintenance today. Also, recommend this channel to others, so together we can upgrade our knowledge and skills. And there's much more to come as we keep moving forward. Thank you so much for being here. So, stay connected with this channel, and let's keep learning electrical maintenance together.